Hello everyone, it's Drew Bradshaw here. Today we're looking at how to diagram indirect objects. Indirect objects are the person or thing to which an object, meaning the direct object, is given. Let's take a look at this example. It says Nick gave Mom the ball. Who or what is this about? It's about Nick. What did Nick do? He gave. What did he give? Did he give Mom or did he give the ball? He gave the ball. Which ball? The ball. Who received the ball? Mom. Indirect object. The indirect object always comes somewhere between the simple predicate and the direct object in the sentence. It never comes after a direct object or before the simple predicate. The simple subject. We diagram our sentence base like normal. Our simple subject is over here. Our simple predicate is right here. Our direct object is right here. And then our modifier is normal. One thing that you'll notice is how they diagram the indirect object. It goes underneath the simple predicate. It kind of looks like we're diagramming it like a prepositional phrase. I don't mind that way, but I prefer doing it another way. I prefer doing it like this at a right angle. If you want to do it the way that this is shown, that's fine too. Okay, this sentence is correct, but the diagram provided is incorrect. Lucy gave Linus his blanket. Who or what is this about? It's about Lucy. What did Lucy do? She gave. What did she give? A blanket. Which blanket? His blanket. Who received the blanket? Linus. So this is diagrammed incorrectly. For some reason, they have two direct object lines, which you cannot have. So let's start our sentence base. Lucy gave blanket. Which blanket? His blanket. Who received it? Linus. Toss me a roll. Toss me a roll. Who or what is this about? It's about you. You. Toss me a roll. What does you do? Toss. What does you toss? Roll. How many roll? A roll. Who receives the roll? Me. Me is the indirect object. So our simple subject is the understood you. Simple predicate, toss. Toss what? Roll. How many roll? A. Who receives it? Me. She won't tell anyone your secret. She won't tell anyone your secret. Who or what is this about? It's about she. What will she do? Will tell. Will tell what? Secret. Which secret? Your secret. Who will receive the secret? Anyone. And then actually, nope, won't work. So here we go. She will tell secret. Your secret. Not anyone. Joey gave me the ball. Remember, to find the direct object, we have to ask who is going to receive the direct object. Joey gave ball. Simple subject, simple predicate, direct object. Which ball? The ball. Who is going to receive the ball? Me. Wendy gave Peter a thimble. Wendy gave Peter a thimble. Who or what is it about? It's about Wendy. What did she do? She gave. What did she give? Thimble. How many? Who received the thimble? Peter. Wendy gave thimble a thimble. Peter received it. Peter is the indirect object. Fido brought us his slobbery bone and Jamie's slipper. Fido brought us his slobbery bone and Jamie's slipper. Who or what is this about? It's about Fido. What did he do? He brought. What did he bring? Bone. Slipper. Which slipper? Jamie's. Which bone? Slobbery. Which bone? His bone. And connects two things. It connects his slobbery bone, Jamie's slipper. Who receives the bone and the slipper? That would be us. So Fido brought bone, slipper, Jamie's, his bone, slobbery bone, and who received it? Us. Grandma and Grandpa sent Ethan a present. Grandma and Grandpa sent Ethan a present. Who or what is this about? Well, it's about Grandma. Who else? Grandpa. So we have a simple subject 1 and a simple subject 2. And connects those two simple subjects. What did Grandma, what did Grandpa do? Sent. They sent. What did they send? Present. How many? Who received it? Ethan. So we have Grandma, Grandpa, and sent, present, Ethan. I will buy you some ice cream after dinner. I will buy you some ice cream after dinner. Who or what is this about? It's about I. What will I do? Will buy. Will buy what? Ice cream. So ice cream's our direct object. I will buy ice cream. How much ice cream? Some. Then I have a prepositional phrase after dinner that's either a time or a space. After dinner is a time. Time to buy. Who will receive the ice cream? You. All right, now when we're looking at this particular diagram, we have this slant right here in blue, and we have this slant right here in yellow. Which one does the indirect object go on? The blue one or the yellow one? The answer is it's the blue one because you, the word you, comes first in the sentence. So that's you. And then this is after dinner. And now you can see why I prefer to diagram with a 90-degree angle for our indirect object, because then it stands out a little better than having two modifiers looking like prepositional phrases. For 3A, 3B, 3C, and 3D, you need to come up with your own original sentences. Remember, every single one of these lines that comes down underneath our simple predicate is going to be an indirect object. So you need to choose verbs like gave, bought, threw, tossed, passed, lent, sent, or told. Something like that. So you'll have your simple subject tell something to someone. That could be a possibility. So make sure to look at the different sentence diagram models that are already filled out on your paper. Here's what the other two look like. On the back side of this paper, we have Mr. Foster awarded me the Citizenship Award. Sally and Charlie Brown gave Snoopy a new doghouse. Will you lend me $1? And our dad bought us lemonade and pretzels at the store yesterday. I will do 4D together with you. I'll do this one together. But first, I need to remind you of a couple things. This right here will function as one word. This will function as one word. This will function as one word. Remember when you diagram C that it's a question, and so in order to diagram it, you need to rearrange it to make it into a statement. Our dad bought us lemonade and pretzels at the store yesterday. And this has a spelling error. This should say store, not story. Store yesterday. Our dad bought us lemonade and pretzels at the store yesterday. Who or what is this about? It's about Dad. What did he do? He bought. What did he buy? Lemonade, pretzels. He bought lemonade, pretzels. And connects those two direct objects. So let's start out with our sentence base. Dad bought. Then our direct objects are split. He bought lemonade. Oops, I put that in there. Pretzels. And, okay, which dad? Our dad. Who received the lemonade? Us. That's the indirect object. We have at the store and we have yesterday. At the store is a prepositional phrase that either tells us a time or a space. This is the space he bought it at. At store, and I did it again, the store, not story, the store. When did he buy it? Yesterday. Okay, so we have Dad bought lemonade, pretzels. Our dad bought lemonade and pretzels. Our dad bought us lemonade and pretzels. Our dad bought us lemonade and pretzels at the store yesterday.